Hey there, I'm Ugu from TechCornerTV and you are watching another mailbag. So without spending any more time, let's start unpacking stuff. We'll start with this one. It says switches. Let's see what we have here. I ordered a few switches. This is 3-position switches. Yeah, like this. It's for a project that I'm doing. That is, I don't remember if this is for the oscilloscope or the fast edge signal generator. But anyway, it has 3 positions. I ordered a few of them for the project. So yeah, seems nice. This one is from RS Components, also for one of these projects that I'm making. Let me see what we have here. Okay, nothing more. Well, this is really small. You can see it here. I think this is LTC 6904CM. One of the good things of buying in RS is that they always mark here what we are buying. So it's a very small component, as you can see, SMD. For one of my projects I was waiting for this. Next we have also a small one. Let me just see what's in it. Okay, I think I ordered twice the same switches. No, this one is on top. The other one, it's right-sided. It's smaller also, but it's right-sided. Let me show you. Okay, so we have here one that is right-sided for PCB mounting, and this is on it's on vertical position. Yeah, so yeah, 2 different kind of switch, both 3 positions. Whoa. So I will not need any more switches in the times to come. Okay, we have one of those bags that bring a lot of package inside. I will probably need to make a small stop. Yeah, well, not a lot of package, only 2. Okay, so 2 package inside. Let's start with this small one to see what I have here. Okay. So this is SMD LEDs 0805. I think 25 of each, yellow. I'm quite surrendering to the SMD, and yeah, this is SMD diodes, LEDs. Yeah. So I have here 5 colors, and also 0805, a complete set of resistors. I'm doing a project, as I told you, and my mistake, instead of ordering, I think it is 200 ohms resistance, I ordered 2.2 resistance. And the result is that I had to wait for another order to come. So I don't like that, so I decided to buy an assortment of resistors like this. We have here, I believe, 80 kinds, 25 pieces each. If I need any of these resistors, I will have it here. It's 0805, 5%, yeah, from 10 ohms to 910K. Yeah, a bunch of resistors. So I have components now. The other one, let's see what we have here. Well, I know what we have here. Also, I decided to buy, well, this is a lot. I decided to buy colored pins and pin caps. So what I have here is like those computer pin caps that you have in green, red, yellow, white, black, and also the blue. And yeah, I also bought the pin itself, the pin comb, like something like this, in red, the same colors: red, black, green, yellow, blue, and white. I think it's 5 units of each. Yeah, 5 units. Well, I don't see 5 units of black, but if it's not here, I will later see what's going on. In here I have TechCorner first contribution from Andonstar. I'm really grateful for them sending this. Let's open. Okay, this is the new AD203. They sent me this 3 months ago. It was a pity because this was almost 3 months in customs because of the new EU law from everything has to pass to the customs. And yeah, it's a pity because it's a long time. So I will do a review on this. It will have 2 reviews, one on the gadgets channel and on the electronics channel. Let's see what's on the box. Okay, we have a small user manual, English, and I don't know, one is Chinese and the other one I don't know what it is. And yeah, it seems okay. Well, I don't see English yet. Let me see where it is. Here it is. It's the first one. You have all the functions here. Okay, seems okay. It comes with a SD card. Nice touch, very nice touch. And also you have a cord for your wrist. It has micro USB to USB Type A. And let's see what's in here. This is a microscope, the AD203. It has a small screen, as you can see. Well, this is totally new for me. This is huge. We can have also here 1/4 inch screw. So we can put this on a tripod, for example, to film something. Yeah, very nice. Let's power this on to see if it has power. Yeah, it does. Let's... no, this has to be charged. But anyway, I will charge this and do a review on this very soon, really. It seems to have here a small compartment. Well, this is new. I don't want to... okay. It has a small compartment for the SD card and also for charging. You just need to take this top off. Okay. Very nice. It's a pity it doesn't have power. Okay, so you have to see the review. Yeah, it seems a very nice microscope. Let's see how it works and how it handles everything. It will be neat for me because it will allow me to film the components when doing electronics assembly to film the components from the top. Again, this is sent for review by Andonstar. I will have a review soon on this. This one was sent by our friends at Owon. It's a new product from Owon, sent directly to review. Let me show you. It will be a nice addition to my test environment. It has the normal a box for protection. Let me take this out. Okay, here it is. As you might have noticed by the sticker, this is an arbitrary waveform generator. This is a very nice waveform generator. Let me show you. Okay. Once again, one more box. No. It has a box, but I will take this out of the way. And okay, let's see what we have here. Take this out of the way also. Okay, I will show you in a moment the device. Let's see what's on this box first. Okay, we have the power cord with IEC connector to the European one. We have also here two BNC cables and one USB Type A to Type B. Also in the box it should be a user manual. Normally the Owon user manuals are pretty good. So we have the software, also the tech specifications. This is the 100 megahertz unit. The normal list of devices that Owon has. They have this very nice tablet. Maybe one day I will review this, I don't know. And yeah. And let's see the user manual. Normally they are very good, the user manuals, yeah. As you have the index, it's very well organized. They think a lot in this. Infographics, everything explained. Okay. Yeah, seems okay. I will show you better in the review. Let me take this out of the way. So the unit, it seems to have a little bump here. Okay, no problem. Whoa, nice. Very nice. This is the 100 megahertz model with 500 megasamples per second model. So let me show you the back first. We have to fit like on the oscilloscopes normally have. We have here the input for the counter and also modulation and external triggering. The ESC power sock and the fuse. We have a connection for the USB and also for Ethernet. Very nice at all. We have a handle like the oscilloscopes normally have. And on the top, let me see if I can connect here a cable. Let's see if it powers. So let's power this on. This is only first impressions. I will not review this now. It will have obviously a nice review. Well, a nice review, it doesn't mean a nice opinion, but it will have its own review. So let's see, it's powering up. Okay, it seems to be almost done. It takes a bit. Okay, it has a very nice display. A very nice display. 100 to insert the frequency. Normally we set here, and where do we enter? In here. 100 megahertz. Awesome. We have the amplitude, for example, 5 volts VPP. It can go only up to 2.5, but why? No. Back. Cancel. Okay, let's put this in 100 kilohertz. And let's see now the amplitude. No, here, 5 VPP. Okay. So if I now put 100, no. Okay, in 100 megahertz, the VPP, maximum VPP, it's 2.5 volts. Okay. I can live with that. It has a maximum of 30 megahertz for square waves, 3 megahertz for ramp, the pulse. Okay. We have the noise, the arbitrary, and also the harm. Okay, it seems a nice unit. We have here the knob, 2 channels, channel 1 and channel 2, with triggering on and off. Let's see what. Okay, we have sweep. Let me put this again in sine wave. We have the sweep, modulation, and also the burst. Let's see what we have in the utility. Display, backlight, screensaver, edit. Okay, preset, store, and yeah, we can edit the sine wave. Very nice, really. But this will allow me to test the oscilloscopes to a bandwidth up to 100 megahertz. That will be much better to test. My previous wave generator has 60 megahertz. For the 100 megahertz test, it will not be enough. But yeah, thank you, Owon, for sending this for review. This is the new XDG 2100. It seems a very nice unit. I will love to do the review of this. In a few days I will review this on the electronics channel. Stay put. That's what I have for you today. If you see something useful in this video, don't forget to give a big thumbs up, and if you didn't already, please subscribe, and if you do, don't forget to hit that bell so you can be the first one to be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you for staying with me until this point, and I hope to see you in my next video. Stay safe.